Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing another of those Thai noodles. This one is peanut satay Thai noodles. So the price is $2.49. Ingredients contains wheat, peanut, coconut, and anchovy because it is a peanut satay. The nutrition facts, if I didn't say it earlier, product of Thailand. Heating instructions, label. Oh, and I also uploaded the other of these Thai noodles. The other one is a spicy curry one, and there is another garlic thingy that was just bleh. Just sweet and bleh. And the broth. I think I feel the peanuts. Yeah, it's because after that, there's nothing out like the peanut pack or anything. So the peanuts are in here probably. Alright, so let's make it on the countertop. I'll show you and meet you there in about 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See ya! Here it comes. And here comes the peanuts, or the broth, I guess. I don't really see that much of a peanut. So here's the peanut satay that has been in the microwave for 1:30 seconds. And then my plate is gonna stir for a few more seconds, and we're gonna put it back in the microwave for about 30 seconds or so. It does smell like peanuts. It comes onto the plate. What I think is called a plate. I do see some peanuts, kind of. All right, so let's taste it. I'll meet you at the table again. Peanut satay, ready to be eaten. Not using a fork this time. Or did I even use a fork when I reviewed the garlic thingy? Well, not sure. But anyway, I don't remember. I don't have good memory. Well, in my case, I don't. I think I don't have good memory. My father says I do. Well, I don't know who's true or who's false. It's too hot. One piece will be enough. Not bad. Let's try this very squishy carrot. That's also very hot. I'm not sure if it's a carrot or if it's a yam or a sweet potato. I'm not sure. But I think it's a carrot. Not my favorite meal. Way better than the garlic one, I could say that. Actually, it's not my favorite meal at all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. And enjoy many, many other videos. And I'll meet you again on this brown table. Bye.